Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone in Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down a little and then tap on Privacy option. Select Block User option. Now to unblock someone in Tango, just tap on Unblock option which is right beside the user's name. If you are sure, tap on Unblock once again. And this is how you can unblock someone in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.